Class 8th, Chapter number 1, Book Honeydew, Questions and Answers, Part 2. Question number 12. For how long do you think Coney had kept Jim's letter? Give reasons for your answer. Answer. Coney had kept Jim's letter till January 25, 1915. The letter was dated December 26, 1914. Question number 13. Why do you think the desk had been sold and when? Answer. The desk must have been sold when Coney's house had burnt. The table had been damaged by fire as well as water. Question number 14. Why do Jim and Hans think that games or sports are good ways of resolving conflicts? Do you agree? Answer. Both Jim's and Hans were soldiers. Both were warm-hearted. They had seen the sufferings of war. So it was natural for them to hate war. They favored a peaceful solution to settle disputes. Games or sports, they said, were good ways of resolving conflicts. I also agree with them. Question number 15. Do you think the soldiers of the two armies are like each other or different from each other? Find evidence from the story to support your answer. Answer. All human beings are alike in many ways. They love peace and hate war. They want to live together. Examples from the story. Then they were calling out to us from across no man's land. Happy Christmas, Tommy. Happy Christmas when we had got. Question number 16. Mention the various ways in which the British and the German soldiers become friends and find things in common at Christmas. Answer. The British and the German soldiers belong to different camps. They were enemies in wartime, but after all, they were human beings, and therefore they had similar feelings. They shared the festive spirit of the Christmas. They got over hatred and played games, feasted and drank like good friends. Answer number 16. Both hated war. Both were anxious to go back to their families at the end of the war. Question number 17. What is Connie's Christmas present? Why is it the best Christmas present in the world? Answer. Connie thought that Jim had come back home from war. She mistook the author for Jim. She had been waiting for her husband, Jim. So the coming home of Jim was the best Christmas present in the world of her. Question number 18. Do you think The title of the story is suitable for it. Can you think of any other title? Answer: decidedly, the title of the story is most suitable for the old Connie. No other present could have given her such joy as the coming home of Jim, her husband. Her presumption might be wrong, but she got the greatest happiness of her life. Since the story revolves around Christmas, the alternate title of the story could be War and Peace or Christmas Gift. Answer number 18, remaining part of the answer number 18, but neither can be a match to the present title.